You are hearing all the buzz and you want to join the VR revolution. Thinking, what tool should I use? Should I start with a game engine like Unreal Engine or Unity? Or should I use a VR creation software? Let me give you 10 reasons why you should start using SimLab VR Studio immediately. Number 1. Ease of use. SimLab VR Studio is coding-free VR creation tool, so no need for advanced skills in programming. Imagine the experience, then build it in simple steps. Use SimLab VR Training Builder, a visual tool enabling the creation of amazing VR experiences by defining events and responses visually. With access to thousands of free 3D models, you also do not need advanced 3D designing and modeling skills. With the availability of fully functional, non-expiring, free license of SimLab VR Studio, you can test it, learn how to use it, and only switch to paid version when you are convinced and ready. Free edition of SimLab VR Studio includes SimLab Academy, a complete set of tutorials including videos and models, teaching you all the capabilities of SimLab VR Studio. Speed of creation, create in 2 to 3 days what others will need weeks to build. View on any device, free SimLab VR Viewer runs on Windows and Mac. It supports Vive, Rift S, and standalone devices including Quest, Pico, Android and iOS. Use any 3D model, with support of all major file formats. You should be confident, SimLab VR Studio will be able to add any 3D model you have to the VR experience. VR Studio is future-proof, do not worry about new hardware or software updates. Be sure that VR experience you created are always ready when you need them. Secure solution, no sharing of your CAD on the cloud, all the conversion is done on your safe machine. When sharing with others you will be using a secure file format, not including your CAD information. Working with a trusted company, SimLab Soft was developing reliable software for thousands of users since 2007, and SimLab VR Studio was built on top of the stable SimLab Composer version 10. Software created by SimLab Soft is used by many of the largest companies in the world. Low cost, SimLab VR Studio was priced to make it easy to get a full return on your investment in your first project, great ROI. Quizzes and surveys, easy to use evaluation system already included, with all the tools you need to distribute VR experiences, and to review results. I hope you are now ready to get your hands of the free version of SimLab VR Studio.